So the question isn't just, where are my goods? It's, where is my truth? In the next section, we'll explore how leading companies are rebuilding that truth, how they're creating a continuous digital thread that connects ship, shore, and systems in real time. For most of the past 20 years, logistics have relied on batch EDI files, daily manifests, CSV uploads, weekly reports, but that world is fading, and fading fast. Maersk now streams live vessel location data through APIs to the top shippers, giving planners real-time ETA predictions and expectations before arrival. DHL Supply Chain has built digital control towers that integrate telemetry from trucks, ports, and customer ERP systems into one continuous event feed. These aren't new platforms, they're new connection layers, event-driven architectures that replace overnight jobs. The API calls replace spreadsheet uploads, data moves as the shipment moves, not 12 hours later. But this is how the digital thread is rebuilt. By harmonizing data sources into a single authoritative layer, by time-stamping every event as the movement happens, by surfacing insight, not just information. Because the goal isn't more data, it is better flow. And supply chain-wise, we think of this as stitching the digital fabric, connecting the ship, the shore, and the systems through one harmonized layer. That's what Supply Chain-wise Foundry was built for. A Foundry acts as the data layer, integrating ERP, WMS, and TMS into a live, reconciled picture. Flow-wise sits on top of that. It's turning those events into orchestrated movement across inbound, warehouse, and transport flows. And together, they form SCOS, our supply chain operating system, that orchestration layer that gives logistics leaders real-time control without another monolithic platform. Think of it like this. Supply Chain-wise Foundry provides a data integration capability. Flow-wise turns that visibility into action, and Supply Chain OS provides governance defining what's central and what remains local. The result is not another portal, but a continuous loop of intelligence. Information enters once, is verified once, and is used everywhere, from supplier, scheduling to customer promise. In other words, from ship to shore to system, the digital thread stays intact. And when that happens, something powerful shifts. Planners stop reacting and start orchestrating. Inventory stops inflating and starts rotating. Decisions move from delayed to dynamic. The digital thread isn't a data project, it's an operating principle. And the ones who master it will be the ones who don't just survive disruption, they'll direct it. In our final section, we'll look ahead. What happens when that digital thread finally reaches the factory floor, and how it changes not just logistics, but the entire rhythm of industrial life.